Hi there, I'm Brian for the Lincolnwood Library, and today we're going to go over the awesome scanner in the Digital Media Lab. It'll be fun. Let's get started. Lincolnwood residents can use the Digital Media Lab. We do a brief training the first time you use the lab. This Epson Perfection V600 Scanner is high quality and comes with adapters for scanning special types of media. Make sure the scanner is on. The power button is on the right side. You can scan anything that fits in the scanner bed. If you use one of the special adapters, make sure to remove the insert, which reveals an extra lighting element that lines up with where the adapters place your content. Other content like magazine pages, documents, and 4x6 glossy pictures and more are put in the upper right corner. Place your media in the scanner and then open Epson Scan to get started. Once you've inserted your content into the scanner, open Epson Scan 2. The program opens and you see there are a lot of options. So you can select scan settings from different types of media, and within those, different modes. You start on main settings and you can go to advanced settings to see even more. At the bottom, you can see the format your scan will be made into, the file name, and where it will be saved. Once your scan is completed, the computer opens up Finder in the location it saved to automatically. And you can double click to see what you digitized, and you can start to relive the great memory. If you're doing a whole bunch of the same type of scanning, the scanner will remember your settings, so you don't have to set everything up. You can be really fast and get to the memories that you want digitally really quickly. Once your scans have completed, it opens Finder, and you can click the little X to get back to Epson Scan 2. If you're using one of the special guides, change document source from scanner glass to transparency unit, and the document type may change. You still set up all the rest of the settings and hit scan. When you've completed your last scan, it will open Finder to the location of that scan. Go to File, New Finder window, and go to a location like a hard drive or a flash drive, and drag your content in to make sure that you have a copy. You've worked hard to digitize, and you want to make sure you can take it home to show, to experience the joy, to remember the memories of what you have digitized. So that's an overview of using the scanner in the Digital Media Lab. If you have any issues, we have a binder of instructions that can help you out. Thanks.